Hi. One of the most powerful features of our COM F5 COM Center is the Media F5. You see it says here upload video, create image gallery, share and view stats on viewed media. But what we're going to do now is show you the simple procedure that it takes to broadcast live. Now, broadcasting live means you could be doing a live webinar. It means that you could be doing a presentation for a customer who is at home. It means that you could be teaching something or simply sharing some information with a group of people. And any number of people would be fine. But this little Media F5, this is the creme de la creme. So what we do with the Media F5 is we click on the Media F5. And of course, when we click to the Media F5, we find ourselves right here in the Media F5. You notice there are several folders here in the Media F5. I ended up having an extra video messages folder. But you have several folders here. You have folders for images and you have folders for video. Say for instance, you have in the video messages sent, all these are video messages, and when you click on each message, you will see a thumbnail what the message entails. You will see what the message is about. You'll see the first frame of the message. In most cases, you will see the first frame if you have a bogus message. So you see that's what that's good for. And the other thing in Media F5, if you wanted to download a file, say you did a video email and it's saved in here, you can download that file, put it on your desktop, and do anything you want with it. Or you can upload a file from your desktop. Keep in mind that if the uploaded file is not a flash live video or a MP4 or a WMV, you're going to have to convert it into one of those, and you could do that with some third-party software. If you had something that you wanted to publish, you click on Publish the File, and you click on Update the File, and the information for that file immediately pops up. And all you would have to do would be to click it one time, and you can copy and paste that file any way that you want it to be. So that's just a little extra thing that we do about Media F5. Now, Media F5 leads you directly to Live F5, which is your live video. You click onto the Live F5 button, and we all recommend that you use the HD quality type of video, which means that you will be using the Paragon. Over here, you have different profiles, and these profiles will tell you what's going to be displayed to the people that's looking at the video. And we'll go into that and show it to you in just a little bit. So let's go here where we pick a profile that says, it says connect. That's a COM F5 dark, right? And then we click on to demand. And the next thing that we want to do to go live, we click on go live. And we want to go live standard for the sake of this tutorial. And when you put go live standard, this is what happens. You end up with something that looks like this. And for your configuration of your video, you want to make sure that this is at the lowest level, and you want to check all the camera settings. When you do it the first time, you got the camera setting just like you had when you did on the email. And you have these tabs here. The chat tab allows you to chat with people back and forth, and the share tab allows you to push your slides. And when you look for your slides, depending on where you have your slides saved at, I have mine saved in Business Galleries. So you click onto Business Galleries, right? And then you highlight the COM F5, and the slides that you are now pushing to your people appear over there, and you can choose them one by one just like so, and you can just talk about each and every one of them, and these are all email templates. So that's how you do the live broadcast. And if you wanted to send something else, that would be no problem as well. When you want to invite people to the broadcast, you click onto the invite URL, you click on the URL, and here the URL is, and you highlight the URL. Then you come here and you put the URL here, and then you write in someone's email address, and then you click send. You send them the URL, and that's pretty simple to do, isn't it? The participants tab tells you exactly who's looking at your live broadcast, and as you can see from here, there's nobody looking at my live broadcast, is there? Now, another feature that this Live F5 has is you can actually have a co-host. So when you have a co-host, the people that are watching will have an opportunity to click the co-host button, and when they do, you can choose to let them into the broadcast. And if you let them into the broadcast, then they'll be able to do all the things that you are able to do. You also can come over here and you can create things that you wouldn't even imagine that you could create simply by just doing it, just like so. See? And when you finish with those, you can get rid of those. Let's just say that you want the box to be bigger. When you put a bigger box, you can do it that way. See? It's a nice size box, isn't it? Okay. You also can use your pointer. See, you can simply point to the right, or if you want to, you can actually point to the left. And then when you're done, you can click that. So, and if you wanted to write something on there, there's a text box there that you could use. When you clicked on the text tool, you could just kind of go, oh wow, what a great idea, right? You could do that, and so we can update the text, and then here you see where it is right here, and you can move it around if you want to. So when you look at this tool, you can find that there's a lot of things that you can do with it. And now that you know how to do a live broadcast, I'm going to finish this so that you can go and do a live broadcast and show someone how easy and how simple this process really is. So thank you for your time, and we will see you next time.